Hello, I'm Kelly Wenning, and I'm going to be talking about QR codes, a new and upcoming emerging technology that can be utilized in your classroom very easily. So what QR codes are is exactly what this picture shows. It's something that you can scan on a tablet or on a smartphone for your kids to utilize. So the first step you'll need is how to create a QR code. It's very easy. There's only a few simple steps for you to do in order to create your own QR codes. The first thing would be going online and going on to this website, www.qr/code/generator.com. Once you're on this website, this is what your screen will look like. Create your own QR code for free. So you can take your URL that you would like the QR code to automatically link you to, you put it right in that box and hit Create a QR code. So now your QR code is generated and you'll see it on the very right side of your screen, as you will see the faint QR code on this screen right now. So you can take this and copy this QR code onto any document that you are going to use in your project in your classroom. So now you know how to easily create a QR code. But now I'm going to talk about what you can make a QR code for in your classroom to help you utilize it more for an easier and fun, engaging activity for you and your students. One example, which I have experience with, is using QR codes for a spelling test. So I recorded my voice saying the word, putting it in a sentence, and saying the word again. So the kids came in right away in the morning, used their tablets, got it done even before the bell rang and announcements came on. Very easy to do, great for differentiation, different words for different kids, great tool to use. Another way you can use QR codes is for the students, after they're done creating a story or a project, they can record their voices reading the story out loud. So that way you can put it on a QR code, and when they get home or when other students need to read their work, they just have to scan it and it's that student's voice reading their own work. Very valuable tool, and they're so proud of their work. Another idea is right before a unit test, you could have the students create their own QR codes and put it on each side of the cube. So if you're studying different states, you could have the students, one QR code could be the state song, another one could be linked to a picture of the state bird, and you review parts of the states that way. The theme in my classroom is superheroes, and what I have the students do as a get-to-know-me thing is to fill out information about them just so other students can get to know them. And they create a book about themselves, and I have them record their voice, and I glue that QR code right on that story map. So that way, the other students can hear their classmate talk about themselves. So they hear the other classmate talking about themselves, about their own book, and then I have my students write a letter to the person of the week or the superhero of the week, and instead of asking that student over and over and over again, well, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite whatever? The students writing about the person of the week can just scan the QR code, listen to that student talk, and they can answer all the questions that way during centers.